Hey guys, this is Danny at ParTay. So after my last little video posting, I decided to go a step further. Apologies. It's just kind of how I'm made to prove a point. But wanted to show you, if you're going to use metallics and you're going to use heavy metallics, this is the way that you would do it. I want you to take a look at this. So this is 800 lumens shining directly on it. I've also got overhead lights, and there's a window. Not a whole lot of light coming through the window, but do have lights in here. But this right here is casting quite a bear of light on that. I want you to pay attention. It holds spectacularly. Doesn't matter, the piece fell forward, so I'll push it back, but you can see, even still, I've got my arm in the way. So let me get that adjusted some way there. But even with it really harsh, okay, I mean like direct on it, I'm hitting it with the beam, you notice how it stops the light right there in the ball. It's not going everywhere else. And if I take that away and just pull it back here a little bit, I'm still sitting pretty. That is how you do metallics. There's no hot spotting. There's nothing along that line. The colors are back in order the way that they should be. You can see the color here is matching. This is a little darker here, but you can tell that the color match is pretty accurate. So if you're going to do metallics, this is the way to do them. And I would sell this mix probably for somewhere in the ballpark about $25 to $30 a quart, because that's really, I've got less than half of that in it. And you can see now sort of this is the same piece of chloroplast, excuse me, that I used earlier. And all I've done is just take, now if I take that upwards, and let me find my remote. You see just how vibrant that is. So you can use metallics, you can use paint, and you can come out with some beautiful results, but not the hot, spotty, bad color, just crapola, and not at the prices. I mean, $200 and something, $150 for, you know, a piece of cheap material with a little bit of paint on it is just crazy. So just wanted to put that out there for you guys to see. Thank you.